Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get free credits, gems, and star points in Brawl Stars. Well, the easiest method that I'm going to show you to redeem free credits, gems, or star points is by redeeming a content creator boost code. So this will offer benefits such as gems and star points. Then you will get an access to game rooms, and it's mutually beneficial for you and the content creator you choose to support. Then here on Brawl Stars, all you need to do is go to the shop right here on the left side of your screen, and then scroll all the way to the right. And then from here, you will need to enter the code. Right. So once you enter the code here, you will just have to tap on the enter button. Then you'll be able to redeem your rewards in your inbox. Next, go to your home screen and then open your browser here. Right here on your browser. So all you need to do, you just have to search for store.supercell.com. Right, then press on search or enter on your keyboard. And then from here, I just have to tap on the Supercell login button right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. It says login ID. So tap on that. And then from here you will just have to enter your email that you're using on your Brawl Stars. So for example here, I'm going to just paste the code or the email. And then a verification code has been sent to the email. So I'm going to open my Gmail right from here. And then I'm going to get that code. Right. So copy this one, then go back to this website and then enter the code. Right. And then once done, tap on continue button. So once done here, as you can see, if you want to know your Supercell ID, go back to Brawl Stars to get your Supercell ID. So to make sure that you're entering the correct code, so here go back to the main menu, and then from here tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then at the bottom right you'll find your Supercell ID. So if you're going to tap on the gear icon, which is the settings right there at the top left, then it will preview your login credentials. Now once you've got your login credentials, then you can go back to browser and then log in your account. All right, so from here, all you need to do is select the Brawl Stars from the list. Right here at the top of the list. Now, from here, as you can see, you'll now go to Store Special Passes and Offers. So close all the pop-up ads or info right here. And then as you can see at the bottom, you'll find claim or bonuses to claim. So basically, you just have to tap on that banner right here at the bottom of your screen. So select it, and here, as you can see at the top, you will get free 10 gems. So tap on that. So as you can see here, you'll then get your free gems. So you'll see a time limit. So you'll have to complete more challenges in game and claim more gems. So this bonus check allows you to claim 100 free gems, credits, double XP, and coins. So once you claimed your bonuses, you can head back to your game right from here. And then as you can see, it will notify you that your claim gems are available on your account. So as you can see, bonus item delivered. So just tap on the OK button. And once you tap on the OK button here, as you can see, there you go. You get your free gems. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.